Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I did a video on this necklace. I actually redid it. It originally was long and it had some bigger wood beads and some smaller wood beads and these Hishi beads. I took it apart. I took the big beads out and I added these little crystals for some bling. And it is very much a statement piece. This is a very large piece right here. And I added this extender, but I think I may add a little bit longer extender because it does put it at about 18 inches, but I think it would do better as a 20 inch. And normally I would recommend when you're wearing a piece like this, unless you like the matchy-matchy look, is to maybe wear some smaller earrings, maybe a pair of pearls or something, just some studs. But if you're one of those people who like to wear matchy-matchy things, we're going to make a pair of earrings to go with this. I'm going to use the bigger wood beads that were originally on here, one Hishi bead, this is per earring by the way, and then a crystal. Of course, you need an ear wire, and I'm going to use 20 gauge wire, 22 gauge wire rather, but you could use 20 gauge wire. And I've already pre-measured or pre-cut my wire here, and we're looking at about 6.5 inches. And just depending on how big your beads are, you may not need that much, or if you got giant beads, you may need more. But let me get my pliers. I need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. Now, these are pretty easy earrings to do. I'm just going to put the big bead, medium-sized bead, the little bead, I can find the hole. There we go. And I want to wrap the bottom to come up and meet the top here. There we go. And I may go a little bit longer at the bottom. There we go. So about like that, okay? And the reason being is I'm going to take this wire that I'm wrapping from the bottom, and I am going to wrap it underneath. And I'm going to wrap. And I want it to kind of look like a bead under there, but I don't want to use all of my wire. So once I get how I want it, maybe one more time. Let me put that down here. And then I'm going to come and wrap around this bead. And I'm going to wrap several times. I'm going to go ahead and curve this a little bit more. It's already started, so I'll go in the direction that it was. Give it a little bit of interest there. Also tighten it up a little bit. Let's finish wrapping this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and trim that. And this is where you use your flat nose pliers to tuck in that little piece because you don't want it scratching the person's neck that's wearing it. Let's put that crystal back on here. So now what we're going to do is going to get our round nose pliers. And we're going to wrap it around several times, messily. If you're more into the neat look, you could do the neat look. Trim that off. Tuck it in. Be careful you don't get on top of that crystal. You don't want to crack your bead. I get it. And then we're going to hang it on the ear wire, and we're done. Now I want this to be the front, this little area right here. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to be hanging it correctly. And there we go. There's our earring. And there's the bear right there. Like I said, if you're not into the matchy-matchy, I'd just wear a pair of pearls with this necklace. And I'd let it be that. Get these looking nice here for you. I'd like you to let me know down in the comment section below if you're one of these people who like to wear matchy-matchy earrings, necklace, the whole ensemble, or if you like to change it up a little bit. And thanks for joining me. There we go. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.